Hello, my name is Professor M.S. Rao. I'm an executive coach and a keynote speaker. I've published 49 books, including the bestseller See the Light in You, for which His Holiness Dalai Lama has written a foreword. My vision is to build 1 million students as global leaders by 2030. So far, I have trained more than 40,000 students as global leaders. In this video, I would like to share with you some lessons, some tools, some techniques to become a successful professional and a leader. First thing is enhance your employability. There is no permanent employment in this world. Things are changing so rapidly that we need to emphasize more on employability. Employability means you need to update your knowledge, skills, and abilities regularly. So when you do so, what happens? You will be able to shortlist your employer. Conventionally, employers shortlist employees. When you have employability, you will be able to shortlist the employer. Second thing is you need to blend hard skills and soft skills. Hard skills are all about your domain skills. Soft skills are all about your personality, attitude, and behavior. So the soft skills are non-domain skills. So a judicious blend of both hard and soft skills are required to become a successful professional. It is said that people raised in the corporate world due to their hard skills fall due to lack of soft skills. So it's obvious that it is essential to mix both hard and soft skills. If you have only content and if you don't know how to communicate, you will fail. If you know how to communicate and if you don't have content, then also you will fail. Here, content is nothing but your hard skill and communication is nothing but soft skills. So you need to have blend both. You need to learn, unlearn, and relearn. In this high-tech world, whatever we learn today may become irrelevant tomorrow. That's how the technology is leading us. So what we need to do is we need to learn regularly and over a period of time, if something which is irrelevant, we have to discard and we have to relearn. Usually, students when they hit the corporate world, they think that they don't have to learn. That is a wrong concept. The fact is that as long as you love and learn, you are young. That day you stop loving and learning, you become old. Throughout my life, I followed two tools. One is continuous learning. Second is constant feedback. When I joined Indian Air Force, I was only 18 years old. I was not even a graduate. So I acquired multiple qualifications during the non-working hours by sacrificing my annual leave, casual leave, and I acquired various qualifications like DMA, PSc, MA, PGDGL, PGDPM, and MBA. In the year 2007, I joined for my PhD and I acquired my PhD in soft skills in the year 2011. So it is obvious that I have been learning throughout my life, and also I am sharing my knowledge freely with the world. Second thing is whenever I conduct a training program, whenever I conduct a class, I take my feedback after completion so that I can do better. So you need to take feedback in a right spirit and you have to learn continuously. You need to embrace failures. So I would like to share an inspiring story of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, whom I admire very much. He has given permission to incorporate his pledge in one of my books, titled Student Leaders, that I have dedicated to Swami Vivekananda on the eve of his 150th birth anniversary. Dr. Kalam was resurrected as an officer in the Indian Air Force. He was not dissected. He tried as a scientist and there also he had a couple of failures, but he succeeded and he became a successful scientist. Subsequently, he became the President of India. If Kalam were selected as an officer, he would have become the Air Chief Marshal. Thank God that he was rejected, and then again he became the President of India, Supreme Commander of Indian Armed Forces. So what we should take away from him is that everything happens for good. Whenever things don't fall into place, find out what are all the bottlenecks, what are the drawbacks, learn lessons and move on. And don't take failures personally. Embrace failures, learn lessons. If you are not failed, that means you have not taken any risk. If you don't take risk, that life is not worth. So take risk, move on your life. If you fail, learn lessons and modify your strategies and move on. So what I would like to tell at the end is that you need to create your own destiny. Destiny is different from fate. Fate means something which is beyond your control. Destiny means which is very much in your hands. You are the creator of your own destiny. So you create your own destiny to leave your mark for the next generations. So the takeaway from this video is that acquire these tools and techniques to become a successful professional and leader, and be a continuous learner. As long as you love and learn, you are young. The day you stop loving and learning, you become bored. So, what I would like to implore you is that stay young forever by learning continuously. I would appreciate if you would like, comment, and share this video with your network. Thank you for your time.